Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp link. So let's get started. To create a WhatsApp link, you simply need to use a special URL format that opens a chat with you. All you have to do is type https colon slash slash wa.me slash followed by your country code and phone number without any spaces or dashes. For example, if your phone number is +12345678890, your link will look like this: https colon slash slash wa.me slash 12345678890. Once you have your WhatsApp link, you can share it anywhere, whether it's an email or your website or even through social media. This makes it super easy for people to contact you directly on WhatsApp without needing to save your number first. And that's it. Now you know how to create a WhatsApp link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.